Look, if you're sitting back on your couch right now watching this on a TV and your bank account is sitting at exactly $0, drop whatever else you're doing and just listen to me. Don't click away, don't look at your phone. You need to hear this right now because you're living through the most critical years of your life, and honestly, you are probably blowing it. Every time you open an app, you see the same garbage. Some 21-year-old driving a rented Ferrari, teenagers making millions overnight, and all these crazy success stories that make you feel like a complete failure. It sucks. It makes you feel isolated and left behind. But here's the real truth nobody has the guts to tell you. Having no money in your 20s isn't a life sentence, it's actually a massive advantage. It's a completely clean slate. Most rich guys would give up everything they own just to have your youth and start over from scratch. But you are wasting that energy. The choices you make over the next year are going to decide whether you break out or build real wealth, or spend the next 40 years trapped in a soul crashing loop, living paycheck to paycheck and stressing over rent. Your 20s are burning away right now. Let's talk about the actual blueprint to fix your life. First thing first, let's talk about school and skills if you need to go to college. Stop trying to get into some overpriced elite university just for the status symbol. It's an absolute trap. It's an absolute trap. Find the cheapest, most affordable local college around you. Don't start your adult life 50 grand in a debt for a piece of paper that doesn't guarantee you a job. And if college isn't your thing, fine. Do what make people have done for fine. Do what people have done for centuries. Find a master of a highly profitable skill and become their apprentice. Find a person who is already crushing it in video editing, sales, copywriting, or marketing. Go work for them. Sweep their floors, help them for free, and absorb every single thing they know. Once you pick that trade, you need to develop total tunnel vision. Nothing else matters. You have to realize that these are the golden years of your youth. Your brain is firing faster. You have more physical energy and you don't have a family to feed or a massive mortgage to pay. If you scatter your focus across five different random side hustles or spend your nights chasing cheap entertainment, you are actively sabotaging yourself. Lock yourself in a room and master a craft like your life depends on it, because it does. Now let's talk about the biggest distraction facing your generation, early dating. I am going to be completely real with you. Don't date right now, seriously. When you're broke, casual dating is just an easy way to lose years of your prime development time. You are throwing your most valuable years into relationships that aren't going to matter at all to your future self. And let's be honest, most of those premature relationships just end in bad breakups and emotional trauma that fractures your focus and leaves you mentally messed up right when you need to be building a foundation. Put a complete freeze on romance. You can start dating once you are reasonably rich and actually approaching real wealth. And when you finally reach that point, don't be a naive romantic moron. You don't choose a life partner based on fleeting, dramatic feelings. You date based on shared values, logic, and intelligence. Treat the selection of a partner like the most important decision of your life because it is. While you are building skills, you need to become a researcher. Stop mindlessly scrolling. Start analyzing the most successful people in your trade. If you want to freelance or sell a service, look at the guys making bank. Figure out how they get clients, how they talk, and how they package their knowledge. Don't look at them with bitter jealousy. Instead, make them your direct competition. But don't compete with them on money. Compete with them on knowledge and skill level. Block out the noise of their fancy lifestyle and focus entirely on matching their technical execution. On matching their technical execution. The world is massive and there is plenty of money out there for everybody. If you become undeniably elite at your craft, the marketplace will naturally find you and pay you what you're worth. This brings us to how you view your regular job. You need to change your mindset completely and make a traditional 9 to 5 your absolute last resort, or at best, a temporary side priority. A standard job is designed to buy your time at a discount so the business owner can build an empire. If you need to take a job right now just to pay for groceries and keep the lights on, that's fine. But treat it strictly as a strategic life support system. It's just a tool to fund your real mission. Your primary priority from the second you wake up has to be creating some sort of scalable business out of your mastery. Creating your own business is the first priority, period. To maintain the insane amount of energy, you need to build a business out of nothing. You have to take care of your biological machine, fix your daily habits, sleep well so your brain can actually function. Learn how to cook your own meals so you can stop wasting your tiny bit of money eating total shit from the outside that drains your energy and makes you sluggish. And get yourself into the gym. Working out consistently keeps your focus tight, burns off your anxiety, and makes you feel fundamentally good about yourself. When you respect your body, your confidence shoots through the roof and you carry that energy straight into your business meetings. Finally, stop being jealous of the opportunities rich kids get or the lives rich people live. It's completely pointless negativity and it does nothing but poison your mood and hamper your daily productivity. The truth is, some people are just lucky. They were born into a good situation. You can't blame them for that. And honestly, holding on to that resentment is a massive mistake because those exact rich people are going to be your friends one day. They are the ones who will be sharing high level opportunities and inner circle knowledge with you to help you double and triple your money. You can't network with people you secretly hate. Drop the jealousy, accept reality for what it is, and build your own lane. Nobody is coming to save you. Not the government, not your family, and definitely not your boss. You have to build the boat yourself. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.